Do you want to delete photos from Facebook album? You can remove pictures in Facebook album with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete photos from a Facebook album, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on your profile picture or the three horizontal lines menu at the top right or bottom right on iPhone. From here, tap on your name to go to your profile. Now you are on your profile page, tap on the photos below your profile picture in bio. Under Photos, you will see an Albums section, tap on it to view your photo albums. Find and tap on the album that contains the photo you want to delete. Inside the album, scroll through and find the photo you wish to remove. Tap on the photo to open it in full screen. Then, tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. From the pop-up menu, tap on Delete Photo. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Tap Delete to confirm. The selected photo will now be permanently removed from the album and your profile.